Getting in shape feels impossible, right? Actually, it's way easier than you think. You know that feeling when you look at a flight of stairs and think, isn't there an elevator? Trust me, I've been there, out of breath just from thinking about exercise. But what if I told you that getting fit doesn't require you to climb Mount Everest or live at the gym? In fact, it's much simpler than that. First off, who said you need to spend 2 hours a day lifting weight heavier than your car? Do you really want to grunt and look constipated in public? Sure, Arnold Schwarzenegger did it, but he also fought off Terminators. For us mere mortals, there's a better way. Have you heard of high-intensity interval training? Or, as I like to call it, how I imagine torture? Just kidding. It's actually fantastic. Studies show that even 10 minutes of HIIT can be more effective than an hour of light jogging. Can you spare 10 minutes? That's less time than it takes to decide what to watch on Netflix. No equipment? No problem. Push-ups, squats, and planks are like the Swiss Army knives of fitness. Remember when Chris Hemsworth got jacked for Thor? He didn't start with bench pressing planets. He began with the basics. Plus, you can do these exercises anywhere. Yes, even at home while waiting for your coffee to brew. Ever try to cram for a test the night before and realize you remember nothing? Fitness is kind of like that. It's better to do a little bit every day than to try and run a marathon out of the blue. What's the point of running 10 miles once when you can't walk for the next few days? Trust me, waddling is not a good look. Who says you need a treadmill when you have floors to clean? Throw on some music and turn vacuuming into a dance-off. Ever seen someone moonwalk with a mop? There's your cardio and coordination training right there. Plus, your place gets clean. A win-win. Physical fitness is only half the battle. Ever notice how celebrities like Jennifer Aniston always seem so zen? Incorporating mindfulness and stress reduction can actually improve your workouts. After all, what's the use of biceps if they're too stressed to flex? So there you have it. Getting in shape isn't about punishing yourself. It's about integrating simple habits into your daily life. Ready to ditch the excuses and pick up the pace? If you found this helpful, or at least mildly amusing, hit that subscribe button. Join the One of One Fitness family, and let's make fitness easy together. And remember, progression is the path to perfection. Now get out there and be your own hero.